Wednesday, February 12, 2014, and this is the start of the big major snowstorm of the year. Okay, it's 3:30 February 12 of 2014, and the major storm is progressing. Looks like we already got about 3/4 of an inch developed on the rail there, and the golf cart path is covered. Still coming down. Alright, still the same day, February 12, 2014, and now it is about 5:30, and it looks like we have about 3 inches of snow so far, so it's been coming down fast in the last couple hours. And you can really see it coming down. Big flakes, and this may go on for all of tomorrow, but it's going to be dark soon, so I won't be able to get any more footage until tomorrow morning. Same time, same place, and the snow is really coming down in the front yard as well. Of course, you know, there's no difference between the front and the backyard as far as the snow goes. Looks like still about 3 or 4 inches. And the heat pumps are remaining clear at this time. Snow hasn't piled up on them yet. Okay, here it is, the next morning. Thursday, February 13, 2014. And the blizzard of 2014. The storm is about over, but you can see here we got over a foot of snow on top of the table right here. We'll go out and measure it in a little bit. Alright, got my boots on. Let's go out here and measure. And looks like we got about 13.5 inches. It's kind of light, fluffy stuff. And it's got some weight to it. But it's sort of semi-dry, which is good for shoveling.
Now, nothing too major, though. You want to leave yourself a little extra time, but again, nothing too much to worry about. I do want to take you a little bit closer now to the Roanoke Civic Center. We've been seeing a lot of slow traffic on 581. This, of course, is no different. You can see this is 460 on Orange Avenue going much.
Okay, still snowing, and it's 12:30, the day before Valentine's Day, February 13, 2014. This is our major blizzard of 2014. And since the snow has continued to come, it's no longer 13.5 inches on that table. It's looking more like about 16 inches, and they say 3 more inches to come. We'll get a little measurement here in a while. John's been taking some pictures with his camera outside, trying to brush snow off the truck. And I've been out here with the tractor digging out the driveway. And Laura's been shoveling around here.
Yeah, well, all by myself.
All by herself while I ran the tractor. John was shoveling too. John shoveled off the deck here. But it's a mess. This is a major blizzard for around here. The roads still aren't open.
Hey, man, you're burning all your fuel up.
He says I'm burning all my fuel up, but I didn't want to let it go cold. So we're just letting things come down. We're probably going to get another 3 inches according to the news. So we'll just keep them wheels rolling.
It looks like Amherst back toward Lynchburg, and then continuing back down, say, the Highway 29.
Okay, I've shoveled a little path here out to the table. Let's go ahead and take a measurement. The snow is already covering my path up, and I just made it. Alright, right in the middle here, we have got, yep, 16 inches right there. So we might get up to 18 or 19 inches before this is over. Well, it's 4 o'clock now, February 13, 2014. Looks like the blizzard is about over. Let's go ahead and take one last measurement and see what our total accumulation was. It looks like the snow's actually compacted a little because we had 16 before. And even though more came down, the snow must have compacted, and now it only looks like 15. So that's about it for this storm. It's a wrap.